This is on behalf of Subaru of America. Congratulations, Luke. Here's your miniature toolbox. You won the Zone, Region, and National QMR Month Award. And again, congratulations. That's an awesome award. Thank you. And with that comes some tools and some cash to go have some fun. $650. Congratulations. Great job. Absolutely great job.
$500 in cash.
Well, in an American Express card, I can't give cash.
Mr. Vic, I'm pleased to thank you on behalf of Vic Bailey and Matthew.
Whoa! Sounds like a great vacation coming for Mr. Luke. Great job.
Great.
Afternoon, Daniel Page here, District Quality Service Manager for Subaru of America. With me is Luke Gerlach, who just won the National QMR of the Month Award. QMR stands for Quality Monitoring Report. Subaru uses this to make our cars better, our cars safer, and our quality improved. With that, we asked the techs to submit reports. Luke did an incredible report. Therefore, he was awarded the National Prize, the Regional Prize, and the Zone Award. Congratulations.